An internet connection makes nearly everything accessible, regardless of location or device. If you're looking for ways to make money immediately, consider our top picks. Review websites. Give feedback on people's websites to improve their usability. Do voiceover work. Lend your narration talents to commercials, trailers, and audiobooks. Complete online surveys. Make extra cash by sharing your opinions on popular survey sites. Get paid to review businesses and share your experience as a customer. Test games and software. Provide developers with insights into their software's user experience. Sell stock photos and footage, ideal for photographers and videographers looking for a way to make passive income. Sell second-hand items. Declutter your home and sell used items like clothes, appliances, and vehicles. Sell school notes, popular among students who want to maintain good grades while making money on the side. Carry out small jobs, excellent for people with limited technical skills and a few hours of free time. Monetize art and designs. Sell products bearing your designs or do art commissions.